Hi all, and welcome to my tutorial on how to make a bench in 3ds Max. So, I'm going to go to create, and I'm going to select a box, and I'm just going to drag the box to this size. And now I'm going to get a cylinder and drag that again to about this size. Then I'm gonna scale the cylinder like this. I'm gonna press Y on the keyboard and move it. I'm gonna press Z. I'll zoom in. And I'm just gonna make sure my cylinder is on top. And it looks like it is. Now I'm gonna go move. And just move it in a bit. I'm gonna select the cylinder again. And I'm gonna hold shift and drag the cylinder across to here. Copy. Number of copies 1, cylinder 2, okay. That's too far over, so I'm just gonna move it a bit more. So, like that. Now I'm gonna choose my box. I'm gonna convert it to an editable poly. Alternatively, you can go to modify, type E and choose edit poly. Now I'm going to attach. I'm going to select the cylinders. It's easier to do it up here. And as you can see, they are now part of the box. Now I'm going to press 1 on the keyboard to go into chamfer, to go into vertex mode. I'm going to select these vertices, these vertices, these vertices, and these vertices. Now I'm gonna chamfer. It doesn't matter what chamfer we use here, I just want to smooth it out. I've got triangular around. Just look around it. Yeah, it all seems good. And that's my seat done. Now, what I want to do, I'll get to the legs in a bit. I want to press 5 on my keyboard, select the whole shape, hold shift, and move it up to there. And you want to clone to object, press OK. And now you'll have a separate shape here. And I'm just going to hold shift and copy it across again. And I want to create a copy of it. So I'll have something like this. And I've just realised that these haven't copied over with it. But that's okay, because you can just move them up. Clone to object, okay. Alright. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into this. I'm going to affect pivot only. And this would allow me to move my pivot point to the shape. Now I'm going to make sure I turn the effect pivot only off and go back to my shape. It doesn't matter if it's not precise because of the value of phi. Just to give you all a bit of context, there's a mathematical symbol called phi. It's the 21st letter of the Greek alphabet, and it stands for 1.68. And I've been told that some game producers use the value of phi to make models that are aesthetically pleasing, because we are not an even life form. For example, the left hand is bigger than the right hand, but by a few millimeters, and that goes the same for eyes. Anyway, what we want to do now is with side mode. There it is. We want to create another box. Go in there. Press F3. Right, and now what you want to do is select shape, press Z, go and in fact raise it up a little bit more. Maybe scale it in. And move it. Now you can edit poly to it. I'm gonna do it the quick way and convert it to editable poly. In fact, I'm gonna scale in again on this axis. And I'm just gonna press 4 on keyboard, and then I'm gonna choose this polygon and delete it. And now I'm gonna press 3 on my keyboard, choose this border, and I'm going to hold shift and extrude. And now I'm gonna move it on the X coordinate, like so. Now I'm gonna cap. Okay, so if I press 5, choose that, that's the object. Now I'm gonna copy it so it goes over to the other side. So hold shift and just move it. And clone to object. Now I want to select one of the objects with a touch on it. So box 1. And I just want to find a touch, which is there. Go up to this and just select everything. And that'll all be part of the shape, but you can still select individual pieces. So now what I'm going to do is go to this side of the shape and press F4. Now I'm gonna press 4 on the keyboard, so I can select polygons. I'm gonna select this edge. I'm gonna go up to Tools. I'm going to go down the list that pops up and select Mirror. And I'm going to make sure Copy is selected in my clone selection and press OK. And now I should have a copy that has gone to the wrong side. So if I press 5 on the keyboard and select the whole thing, and then I can just move it. And it looks pretty good right now. So now all you need to do is attach both sides together, and then you need to attach both sides together, then you need to UV it. I'm not going to show you me UVing it, that'll take me a while. Why is that popped up? There you go. Now if you press 5, sorry, that's my whole shape. Thank you for watching my tutorial on how to model a bench in 3ds Max. Please like, subscribe and share the video to all your friends. I've been Dylan Smith and thank you.